Everyone, Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. I have a super cute card. Now, I'm not going to take all the credit. This was a swap I had received. I can't find the swap. I think I've already put it in my pile of cards. Sorry, I think my internet was a little spotty there. So it was just too cute. So I didn't want to switch it up too much because, oh my gosh, so adorable. So let me show you the card we're going to make. It's using the Cutest Crew stamp set. We're not using the dies, but it does have dies that go with it. I love this set. It's got cats and dogs. It's got the birds. It's got little coordinating images to go with the characters, and it has several sentiments as well. And then we have dies that cut out the line of images, plus also some that cut out little individual characters. And we have some borders and some flowers and butterflies. Super, super fun. We've used this set a few times, so very excited about it. So let's get to making our card. Okay, let's get started. So we're just using a thick white base. We have a smaller white panel, and you can see here I've already punched out the oval, and this is using the Modern Oval Punch. This one is on the retiring list. Some of my favorite punches and embossing folders are going to be retiring. We have a little piece of Poppy Parade cardstock, and I've embossed that with the eyelet embossing folder, and this is also retiring. And then I have a little strip of the Homemade Sweetness designer paper. This is so cute. It works perfectly for this because it's got such a small little pattern on it. So we are just going to trim off the ends at an angle. I'm just trying to keep my scissors at the same angle. And we're actually going to do my stamping before we assemble. So we're going to cut this or cover it so it won't show. And it's a great way to save on cardstock. If I can cut it out from a panel that's going to be covered, that's what we're going to do. All right, so this is the first time I've used the little birds. I've used the cats and dogs. But these birds are so sweet, and I've seen so many people using them. And it's nice because you only have to color 3 of them instead of a bunch. And then I'm going to do So Glad We're Friends. And I'm just putting this here to give me an eyeball of where to stamp, because I want to stamp just to the right. I'm lining it up with the right. Oh, man. That's okay. We can flip this. Sometimes that happens. All right, let's try this one more time. Okay, that's better. And then on the inside, I'm going to just do Have the Best Day. That's all the stamping we need to do. Now we're going to do a little coloring. So I have Light and Dark Poppy Parade. So let's do, this is the light Poppy Parade. I do the 2 birds on the outsides with the poppy. And we're going to make them a little bit opposite. Okay, then we have the Dark Poppy Parade. It's going to take me just a minute to color, so I'll tell you what I've been doing lately. I've got my garden in. I got most of it planted the other day, and then yesterday, or earlier in the week, and then yesterday I finished up with some sweet potatoes. We have sweet potatoes, herbs, lots of tomatoes, 2 different kinds of cucumbers, And I'm using, this is Lemon Lolly Light and Dark. Cucumbers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, the regular potatoes, lettuce, lots of herbs. I said that. What else? Trying some eggplant, zucchini. I don't have a huge area, so that's pretty much it for now. We're going to see how those go. Did not have good luck with zucchini last year. And you know, we've had gardens in Florida that were huge and we had so much zucchini. I don't know why I can't seem to grow it here in Arkansas. I don't know. So we're going to try a little container zucchini and see if that works. Okay, I'm also going to try some garlic and scallions and chives and see how those go. Okay, so I'm going to line this up. It's not super close. You could, I would put that just a hair closer. And then we'll just put a little glue on this strip across the center. Just like that. And some dimensionals. I'm just going to do 3. This is not a huge piece here. All right, and last but not least, you could use any embellishments that you want, but I had a whole bunch of the little rhinestones, so that's what I am using. Put one down here. They're just so sparkly. Look how sparkly they are. Love them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our project today. If you want, you could even just do one of those little birds right there. That would be so cute. Please click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. When you place an order with me of $50 or more, before tax and shipping, I'll send you a kit of Ventman's card class projects for free. So I appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.